You can use bacteria as your computer because of biological computing. Simply talking, biological computing is computing done by living cells. Instead of electrical wiring and signaling, biological computers use chemical inputs and other biologically derived molecules such as proteins and DNA. The entire system is in one unit. The storage, RAM, and processing all happen in the same brain, often in the same physical place. This makes them extremely power efficient, requiring about 20 watts to do what our brains do. However, while this does not require electric power, other maintenance costs start to matter a lot more. For example, brains require oxygen and nutrients to be added, CO2 and other waste to be removed, and will need to be kept at a near constant temperature. Currently, there is lots of research going on for advancement in this topic, and there are lots of positive outcomes. For example, by analyzing bacterial data, researchers at MIT have discovered thousands of rare new CRISPR systems. Using this, scientists were able to turn a cell into a biological computer. CRISPR is DNA sequences found within cells or bacteria. In 2021, Microsoft was working on a deep learning model related to the prediction of DNA sequences as part of a project called Station B. This project was created for research on biological computing and the ability to program biology. But recently, they have retired this project. However, you can still access and read the research papers on this website. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University are working on a groundbreaking concept called organoid intelligence. Organoid intelligence is where lab-grown brain organoids serve as biological hardware. Scientists are planning to create biocomputers powered by human brain cells. But even if scientists create biologics from brain cells, why should we create them? After all, aren't computers smarter and faster than brains? While silicon-based computers are certainly better with numbers, brains are better at learning. For example, AlphaGo, the AI that beat the world's #1 Go player in 2017, was trained on data from 160,000 games. A person would have to play 5 hours a day for more than 175 years to experience this many games. That means that if you have more data, silicon-based computers are going to be more intelligent than human brain cells. But if there is not enough data, then the human brain will overtake in terms of learning. The end goal of these computers is not to replace traditional computers, but to enhance performance in different ways. You've heard of supercomputers, right? What's the difference between a thimbleful of bacteria and a supercomputer? Believe it or not, the bacteria contain more circuits and more processing power. Now, if we are successful in building these computers, the main benefit will be to the medical industry, because this helps in disease detection and treatment. We can do smart drug delivery, in which we can administer drugs in the right proportion at the right time and at the right place. This computer can be attached to our body and can do continuous health monitoring. Therefore, it helps in the prediction of future diseases.